Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix getting zero view on TikTok. If you're not receiving any views on your TikTok video that you recently posted, then there are ways in order to fix the problem. Simply watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're getting zero views on your TikTok video that you recently posted, then first make sure that your TikTok account is not set to private. Simply go and tap open TikTok app, make sure to log into your account and go and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap the hamburger menu at the upper right hand corner from your profile page and select Settings and Privacy. Tap on the Privacy button at the top of the screen. And now, on the next page, make sure that your account is discoverable by public. If you've enabled the private account button, simply disable the button and tap on Switch in the pop-up. Once you make your TikTok account public, you'll receive more views on your TikTok since it will be shared to the public. Another thing to do is to check the privacy setting on your post. Ensure that you've uploaded your video publicly rather than uploading it as private. Sometimes when TikTok puts your content on review, then you might not be able to see any views on your TikTok account. Remember to post content that does not go against TikTok's community guidelines, otherwise you'll be shadow banned and you'll not be able to get any views on your TikTok video. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever you're going through zero view problem on TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.